Naka-blinders ako eh. Okay, game. Welcome back, builders, to our channel. This is Engineer Patrick and I hope you're having a great day. We discussed in our previous video kung paano linisin ang ACP or aluminum composite panels. So make sure to check that video out. Ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin kung ano-ano ang mga klase, kulay, and finish options ng ating ACP. For ACP, meron tayong dalawang klase dito sa Polylite. So first is yung PVDF or polyvinylide
Polyvinylidene.
PVDF for short. Itong material na to ay mas fading and weather resistant. It also contains fluorocarbons and mas makapal siya compared sa other types. Ito yung mas ginagamit natin for outdoor uses such as sa mga buildings, external claddings. Yung pangalawang klase natin ng ACP naman is yung tinatawag natin na polyester or PE panels like PVDF. Polyester also has a thermoplastic polyethylene core, but the coating used for the paint is a PE coating that is suitable for indoors. So if used for outdoors, it will fade easily. Lightweight siya compared to others. Ang application niya is mostly sa indoors. Pwede siya for false ceiling, wall cladding. So mostly for indoor usage siya. So material composition, medyo mag-backtrack tayo. So ano ba ang ACP? It's an aluminum composite panel. So meaning, it's an aluminum combined with another material. Meron tayong polyethylene core na nakasandwich sa dalawang aluminum skin. So let's first discuss the polyethylene core. So ang property nito, it's non-toxic. It takes about 3/4 of our panel. And then, usually, ang thickness niya ranges from 2.5 to 4 mm. While pare-parehas ang composition ng materials ng ACP panels, nagkakaiba sila usually sa ratio. So to give you a summary, usually, ang percentage ng aluminum skin tsaka ng paint layer natin ay mas mataas for PVDF panels compared sa PE panels. In turn, yung ating pinaka-main core, which is yung polyethylene core, mas nagtitake up siya ng higher percentage sa mga PE panels natin. Sa color options naman ng ACP, we have 52 colors available. Ito yung mga sample swatches natin. To give you some, ito yung mga iba't ibang colors natin. So first is yung color red, champagne gold, metallic silver, glossy black, galaxy red, gold brush, silver mirror, sparkling white, and many other more. Sa finishes naman ng ACP, we have 10 major kinds of finishes. Meron tayong standard, meron tayong glossy, galaxy, sparkling, champagne, granite, marble, wooden, then meron tayong brush and mirror finishes. Pero builders, disclaimer lang, yung mga finishes natin, subject for availability siya. So for more info, tsaka para malaman nyo rin kung available yung gusto nyong finish, you can check our Facebook page para lang updated tayo kung nandyan yung gusto nating finish. Ayun builders, so yun, natapos na rin yung ating usapan tungkol sa ACP. Sana marami kayong natutunan and we hope to see you again soon in our next video. Cut muna.